A finished SaaS platform. Your turn to build the business. I built the tech. I'm looking for a partner to build the empire. Your market expertise. My proven technology. Let's partner up. Launch a global business tomorrow with zero startup tech costs. This isn't an idea. It's a turnkey business waiting for a leader. Local commerce is broken. I built the fix. Now I need you. An auction platform to empower local producers. The tech is done. I'm fighting the middlemen. Join me as a co-founding partner. A zero-cost solution to a trillion-dollar problem. Sound interesting? I'm the tech founder. I'm searching for my business co-founder. Your ambition is the only capital you need to start. Let's connect. A proven business model with zero operational overhead. Ready to scale? A piece of the next global marketplace. The platform is ready. I've de-risked the tech. You focus on the revenue. Let's partner. Ready to lend, ready to launch. The application link is in my bio. Let's build the future of local commerce together.